Hey, what's going on YouTube? If you're new to the channel, my name is D and I represent New Touch Auto. This video clip here, we're gonna go into the details of removing the door panel off this GMC Denali. This is a 2021 version. If you'd like to know how to do so, stay tuned. Welcome back. We're gonna start out with the inside. We're gonna have 3 different sections we'll be working in, and then we're gonna go ahead and remove the bolts and screws that's connected. As far as everything that's connected behind this door handle, you have a panel that you'll have to remove, and you have the inside here cover. You got to remove that. There are 2 bolts there, and at the bottom you have one here, and then you have one here. To remove this cover, I'll be using the trim tool. Just simply get in there, pop it out from the corner. Move that tool here to sit to the side. Once you have your cover off, you have a 7mm bolt right here. We'll be removing that one. Then we'll proceed to this section here. As for the cover, we'll be using the same tool. Get inside here. You have a section where you can get up under the rubber mat, prop it up, pull it out, and you'll find that you have 2 7mm bolts there. Now, after removing your 5 7mm bolts, you gotta detach the clips that's surrounding the outer edge. You wanna start from the corner. You'll find that the bottom latch will detach. Take your time. Now with your clips removed, you have to detach the back side that's holding the door panel together. To get the door latch removed, you have to clamp down here, pull back. Once you remove this, you snap it back, slide it around. It aligns with the exit. Then you just slide it up, pull it back. The way to remove this electric component right here, what you want to do is slide this tab, slide it back. What it'll is push forward. You want to slide it back, and you want to pull on this tab here, pull it back this way. This will disconnect by just pulling it the opposite direction. Once you have those 2 removed, you can remove your door panel. Okay, so let's recap everything that we did. First off, we removed the cover, then we removed that 7mm screw. The rubber cover that was here, 2 7mm screws. On the bottom, you have 2 also where the holes are. Once we remove those, we came along the exterior and we start popping out the clips from the bottom. Start in the corner. Once you start there, you can work your way around. And then once you get to the top, you want to lift up on your door panel, and then just pull it out. Take your time. You want to avoid damaging any clips. So this concludes the video. you got any additional comments or additional questions you want to ask, go ahead and do so in the comments section. If you haven't subscribed, please feel free to do so. For those who have, I really appreciate it and I thank you. See y'all on the next video.